Question number 5 from 14.1. Do refer the question properly from your textbook. So we need to find the mean by using any of the method. So let us find the mean by using a shortcut method. To do so here, one must have to take here 5 columns. The first column, number of mangoes. The second column's frequency. The third column, class mark. The fourth column, deviation. And the last one, product of deviation and frequency. But if you refer your textbook, the question properly here, the class interval are not in continuous. We can see here 52, 53, not same, 55, 56, not same, 58, 59, not same. That means here, this type of class interval we call, they are not in continuous. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to convert the classes in continuous. So now here, do the necessary adjustment. On a lower class limit, subtract 0.5 and upper class limit, you'll have to add 0.5. That is how you'll have to do the adjustment factor you'll have to apply here to convert this class interval into continuous form. Let's have a look here. I've already converted this into continuous here, but how we get this class interval in continuous? Let's have a look now. Lower class limit, subtract 0.5 and upper class limit, what we do here, you'll have to add 0.5. Then now we are subtracting, so nothing is here, take the help of 0. So borrow 10, 5 point, this will be 9, this will be now 4. That is how lower class limit change 50 change into 49.5. Now upper class limit we have 52. Like I said here, you'll have to add 0.5. We get here 52.5. That is how the first class interval we have 49.5 to 52.5. Now since here we are converting into continuous, that means here you'll have to start with this value 52.5. 55, just you'll have to put 0.5 to convert into continuous. Now with this value, bring down here 55.5 to upper class limit, you can add 0.5. Again here 58.5, upper class limit, you can see here 61, just 0.5 you can add. That is how we get here 61.5 and so on. Now the frequency, exactly you'll have to copy from the question only. Now comes the third column, that is a class mark. How to get a class mark? Either you can use this class interval, if not this one. This will be more convenient for you to find out the middle value here, 50 blank, the next value 52, and the missing value here, which number is missing? Yes, that is 51. After that, what you'll have to do, just see the class size. If not, here easily we can make out 53, missing number 55. So missing number is 50, that is 4. And here the missing number, which is 57. Missing number here 60. And the missing number next one is, that is we get here 63. That is how we got the class mark. Now the next one, deviation. But before we take here, you'll have to be very careful on a class mark. Once the value of class mark is incorrect, then here of no use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick out the middle value. That is 57 is our middle value. That can be labeled here A. Once we locate that one, the other two columns fill with 0 and 0. Now see that which method we are applying here. Right now the method here, that is a shortcut method. On a shortcut method here, just you can subtract these two value, and whatever we get after that, take the multiple of that very number. Before 0 filled with negative. So 57 minus 54, that is 3. Now 3 means take the multiple of 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Now here opposite. 3 1 will be 3. Again 3 2s are 6 and so on. Now get a value of Fi into Di. So where is the frequency value? Frequency value we have there 15 into 6, that is negative 90. After that here 110 into 3. So 3, 3, 0, but sign will be negative. Again here, 3 5s are 15. 3 1 3 plus 1 4. Again 3 1, which is equals to 3. Now again 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 in hand. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 equals to 15. Now what you'll have to do here, take the sum of all this value, that is these two negative value here. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 in hand, so negative 420. After that, again here 5 plus 0 will be 5, which is equals to 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Again 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now you can subtract these two value properly. Now here 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Sign will be positive. That is how here we have sigma fi, that is di equals to 75. And after that here, take the sum of all the fi value, which is equals to, you can take a rough work, you will be getting here 400. After that here, whatever the formula demands, you'll have to fill up that. So let the value of a, that is known by assumed mean. So the value of assumed mean equals to 57. Sigma fi di equals to 70. Sigma fi value equals to 400. Now take the formula. By using here a shortcut method, it is also known by assumed mean method, which is equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now you can substitute the value here, that equals to a value, that is, now this we have 75, a value 57 plus sigma fi di value 75. Now divided by sigma fi value, which is equals to 400. Now both these numbers are divisible by 5 table, so you can cancel by 5 table here, which is 5 into how many times? 1, 5, 2 in hand, 5 into, that is 5, 25. Again 5 into 8 times, again 5 into, that is 0. Again 5 into 3 times, 5 into 1, 5, 3 in hand, 5 into 6. That is how here 57 plus, after that 3 by 16. Now options are there to take LCM or divisions. So my suggestion for this type of question, especially on a chapter 14, that is you can divide and subtract if possible. If not, you can add according to your convenient numbers here. So 57 plus, now 3 divided by 16, take it rough now here, that is 3 dividend, divisor we have here, that is a 16. Now 16 not possible, 0.6, so 0, 16 into 1, that is 16, minus, we get here 4, so 2, 1, decimal is here, we can take 0. Now 16 into how many times is closer to this one? So we take here just rough here, 16 into 8, 8 6, 48, 4 in hand, 8 1 8 plus this will be 12. That means I can take here 8 times, which is 128, minus 10 minus this will be 2, 3 minus this will be 1, decimal is here, we can take 0. Now I can take here only 7 times. That is how here the value we have 0.187. Now 57 plus 0, which is equals to 57.187. Now you'll have to just take only 2 places of decimal, 57 point. For that case, you'll have to refer to this place. 7 is greater than 5. If the third digit is more than 5, then what we do, we add 1 to this place. So since here 7 is greater than 5, so add here 1. So we take the successor of this number, which is equals to 19. That is the mean value.